You agree with me or not? We got the opportunity, we are in the management college. We got the opportunity, we have the finest faculties. We got the opportunity when you will be completing your 2 years of your learning session, you may be going up to 14 lakhs or maybe 16 lakhs, 18 lakhs. That is the opportunity is there in front of you and it is not in my hand. It is not in your professor's hand. It is in your hand. Second part is observer. When I was entering in the university, I saw it says Platinum Jubilee has been celebrated, 75 years. So you are studying in a university which is having the legacy of 75 years. So 75 years की legacy में आप पढ़ रहे हो, कोई 2 साल की university में आपने admission नहीं ले लिया है. This is the second part. But at the same time, you have to observe what is happening surroundings you. What is happening surroundings you? If you want to become an event management person, if you want to become a finance management person, if you want to become a marketing person like us, because we were a part of marketing, you have to see that what the top person is doing. If you want to become a business analyst, you have to see that what the business analysts they are doing. It's very, very important for you that O sees itself. The second is R. R is respectful. Every person which has been created by the God, maybe in any level, he or she has to be respected, which is very, very important. अगर आप respect करेंगे, humility होगी, compassion होगा, so then you will be growing in your, because everybody will talk good about you, nobody is going to pull about you. Then second part comes with this responsible, because आपको responsibility है, आपकी घर की responsibility है सबसे पहली बात, क्योंकि घर में आपके माँ बाप ने पैसा देके आपको भेजा है, आपने खुद कमाया नहीं है, अभी आप अपने माँ बाप के पैसे पे हो, frankly speaking, और somebody must be doing something अलग से, but you cannot fulfill the requirement. There is one responsibility. Your responsibility is towards you to make you somebody in the life. नहीं तो क्या कहते हैं ना, कोई छुप जाता है और कोई छप जाता है, कोई छुप जाता है और कोई छप जाता है. तो आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप अपने को छपवाना चाहते हो या छुपना चाहते हो. छुपने के लिए तो बहुत से लोग तैयार होते हैं, लेकिन छपने के लिए बहुत कम तैयार होते हैं, तभी वो 30 बुक लिख सकते हैं. So be responsible and don't say that you must be thinking कि मैडम को मस्का मार रहे हैं. मैं मस्का नहीं मार रहा हूँ, हाँ मुस्कुराहट आ रही है, राइट, ओके, बट मस्का नहीं है, ये फैक्ट है. क्योंकि एक बुक लिखने में, मैंने केवल 3 बुक लिखी हैं, एक बुक लिखने में कितनी कंसंट्रेशन होती है, कितना पढ़ना पड़ता है.